in Hoover, Alabama, and the bus has made its stop here. And let me say that as the securities regulator for the state of Alabama, how much we appreciate you traveling by giving information that really needed, especially in today's economy. Let me thank NAPFA and all the volunteers in all the stops for helping all our citizens across the country learn more about managing money, protecting their savings, doing investments, and what a great service. And I thank the industry and all the volunteers. Thank you very much.